This month we get a envelope mailer again instead of the box. Well, let's get this open. Now let's take a look. Huh. This looks surprisingly familiar. This is the same exact thing that I already got once. How crazy is that? I'm a little bit disappointed. So I had a little confusion with KnitCrate this month. That maybe it might be nice if they were a little better about clarifying. So I got sent out an email that said that the subscription was all filled up for the month, that there were no spots, but that you could click a link and you could subscribe instead to a surprise package, a surprise crate for the month. And so I did that because I wanted to make sure and get my third KnitCrate for this month, and I didn't want to skip and then do December. I wanted to get it done so I could have 3 consecutive months to do the KnitCrates. And then right after I did that, I got another email saying, oops, so sorry. What we meant to say was that if you haven't previously subscribed, then there is no more room. So I still had room for the subscription crate. I should say I still had a subscription and was still going to get it. So I consequently then subscribed to another one that was a mystery one. And I thought about trying to see if I could cancel it and messaging them and saying, oops, I did this. But then I thought, well, it could be fun to get a mystery package, a mystery KnitCrate. So I was like, oh, well, I'm just not even going to worry about it. And so that's what I did. And it appears that that's what this package is right here, which, as you can see, if you watched October's, this is the exact same thing that I got last month. And the exact same colorway of this yarn and everything. So, a little bit disappointed that it's the same thing that I already got, but it is a nice yarn. I do like it. So I'll have to think about whether or not I want to keep it or see if there's a possibility of me sending it back and exchanging it. So I guess I'll have to let you know. So I'm not going to go over everything in this package. You can go take a look at October's KnitCrate unboxing, and you'll be able to see all the contents because it's exactly the same. It came with the same exact yarn, set of needles, and a book with a glimpse into all their KnitCrates and patterns. It also, guess what is different is that it came with a coupon to Peacock. Yeah. Anyway, and a card from Yarn Fairy and the Pixies. Anyway. So, that's all there is to it.